right, I'm back. All right, let's talk about your serum. So I like to incorporate my retinol treatment 1 to 3 times per week maximum. So sometimes I say that, and some people are like, well, if 1 to 3 times is going to get me results, what if I do 7 times per week? That should really speed things up. Don't do that. Don't be extra. Just keep it simple. You will get results. When you overdo things, you end up causing yourself more problem and pushing yourself back some more. So my retinol 1 to 3 times per week. And I always do retinol in the evening when I know I don't have to leave the house anymore. Okay? So you do retinol in the evening 1 to 3 times per week, right? And anytime you do it, so if you do it Monday, skip Tuesday, do it Wednesday. Always skip a day in between to give the skin time to take a deep breath. All right, so give your skin time to breathe, live its best life, and all that other good stuff before you give it some more retinol. All right. So let's do a quick recap. So daily, we cleanse, moisturize, and of course we incorporate our handy dandy sunscreen in the morning. And if it's in the evening and it's the right day, then we're going to cleanse, moisturize, and incorporate our retinol. What I like to do, again, I like to mix my sunscreen with the moisturizer so it doesn't create that ashy like look. And I also like to mix my moisturizer with my retinol in the evening so then it goes on nice and smooth and get nice coverage. So that would be the daily routine, right? Boom, simple, easy, gets the job done. Now 1 day per week though, you want to set aside time to do a mini spa day at home. Now this is the same routine I do if I have a major event coming up, because it gives me a nice radiant glow and I don't have to wear makeup, so which is a plus for me. So what I do with that is I double cleanse. This is 1 time per week, and I do this in the evening. I double cleanse morning and night. But anyways, this would be my evening routine. So morning time, I would have cleansed, moisturize, and apply my sunscreen, do my errands, all that good stuff. And then in the evening time, to wash away the day, I would cleanse. Then I would exfoliate with a scrub, circular motions, 90 seconds. Then I would tone. Again, anytime you exfoliate, always do a toner. That's my preference. Then I will come in with my Miracle Mask. This is an enzyme-based mask that will help eat away all the dead skin cells. What do we do after we exfoliate? Boom, toner. Psh, psh, psh. We do a toner to our face. Psh, cover it all up with the toner. Let the skin absorb it. After that, and again, you leave the mask on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. After that, I would do my moisturizer and I would mix it in with my retinol treatment if it's the right night, because we only do retinol 1 to 3 times per week, not every day. 1 to 3 times per week. And you might have to work your way up there, meaning that if you did it on maybe the first week you only do it 1 time per week, and then next week you do it 2 times per week, and then to the 3rd week and beyond you do 3 times per week. 3 is the magic number, okay? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video today. I hope you learned at least one thing from the video. If you did, please be sure to comment below. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Hey! Also, join the Clear Skin Challenge. www.luxurylotusspa.com/Clear Skin Challenge. Also, I've put together some videos along here for you just to kind of help you continue along your self-care journey, your clear skin journey. And if you have very soon. Bye. Until next time, Esther the Esthetician out.